Okay, this is going to be our second column. This one is going to be with our baking soda solution. And we have the same setup. Our left side is going to be our blue food coloring, then the 0.1 molarity silver nitrate, 0.1% thymol blue, 1.0 molarity calcium chloride, and 6 molarity HCl. I'm going to give you a view closer up if you wanted to see what they look like. So this is the blue food coloring. It's a pretty intense blue color. It gets all over your fingers. This one here is our 0.1% silver nitrate. You can see it's a very clear solution. There's not much in there. There's a little bit on our test tube, which is what that black speck is, but that's not part of our solution. This is the 1.1% thymol blue. It's kind of a little bit on that orangish yellow side, kind of like a caramel color. Also very clear. This is our 1.0 molarity calcium chloride. And this is our 6 molarity HCl. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in our baking soda solution into each of these. Now, baking soda has already been dissolved into a liquid, which is why we're calling it the baking soda solution. You can put that still under the baking soda column, but we've basically done all of that prep work for you. That's what it had said in your experimental procedures. So we took the solid and we dissolved it into some water. So now I'm going to go ahead and add it into our blue food coloring. This is with our silver nitrate. .1% thymol blue. Calcium chloride. And then we're going to do our 6 molarity HCl. Now, if you didn't catch that, you can see that as we add that in, there are these bubbles that are definitely forming that didn't used to be there. Right? So all those bubbles down there. That can sometimes be a little bit hard to see. And that's our baking soda solution. So giving you a close-up view, this is the blue food coloring. This is at 0.1 molarity silver nitrate. This is the thymol blue. It doesn't really show up on camera as much, but it's kind of like a really deep purple color. This is our calcium chloride. And if you look really closely, there's kind of like these specks of white. Right? So it's not just a cloudy solution. There are these specks of white that seem to be at the bottom. And this was that 6 molarity HCl. This solution as well also has the one with the silver nitrate. You can start to see it separating down there. We have that deeper amount of whites down at the bottom than near the top. So it's starting to settle down there. Okay. So go ahead and record your observations just like last time. This is your baking soda solution.